All right, I'm back again in New York. I'm here with Dorie Clark. We've had a nice dinner together. I wanted to highlight one of your courses on LinkedIn Learning because it's consistently one of the most popular courses there, strategic thinking.
Second only to yours, Dave Crenshaw.
Oh yeah, we kind of go back and forth on that one. So what is one principle that can help someone start doing a better job of strategic thinking in their workday?
Well, this is a key topic that I also talk about in my newest book, The Long Game. And when it comes to how to be much more of a strategic thinker, we face so many pressures in the short term. It's all about the results now. And it means we're often making really suboptimal decisions for the long term. So one of the key things that I like to advise people to do is embrace what I call strategic patience. And it relates to strategic thinking because ultimately a problem that a lot of us have is that, frankly, we just quit too soon. And part of the reason for that is that we don't actually start out by understanding what the task should realistically take. We don't do the research up front to understand, should it take us a month? Should it take us a year? Should it take us 10 years? And so we quit if it doesn't work after a month. Guess what? Most people who did it, it took them a year or multiple years. We have to do the research upstream so we can actually gauge effectively whether we're succeeding or not. That's what helps us be strategic in our choices.
I love it. I talk about how impatience is the enemy of success, that we have to stick with it long term. So that is a wonderful course. Check out Strategic Thinking by Dorie Clark on LinkedIn Learning. Thanks, Dorie.
Thanks, Dave.